Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shelby, and today we are going to be making a Masquerade mask. So I have this, which is just, I should have taken it out of the plastic, sorry. Just a paper Masquerade mask base. And basically you just decorate it however you want. I also have these, which are like really beautiful, just paper flowers, but they're like really thick and lovely, and they don't have anything on the back. Like they aren't clips or anything, you have to glue them on. So I have these, I have tons of ribbons, and I just thought we'd make like a really beautiful, like fairy tale-esque, glamorous, shiny, beautiful, fun mask, and I'm super excited for it. So I will link everything I use down in the description below. As always, if you like the video, go ahead, hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to see more, and let's get going. So first off, you want to take all of your items out of their packages and remove any tags as applicable. I decided that I want to do a dark mask with some gold foil and roses, so I'm going to start by spray painting it black. And then we're going to add our gold foil. For this, I'm just going to use some Elmer's glue and put it on a plate. And then I have these really cool flakes. They didn't actually come in sheets. They just came from the Michael's Craft Store in these little flakes. So basically, I'm going to put those on with Elmer's glue. So go ahead and paint your mask where you want it. This dries translucent/clear, so you don't have to worry too much. Then I took a different brush that was dry to dip it into the gold foil bag, and that wasn't working fast enough for me, so I just ended up dumping some of the foil onto the mask. It caught on the glue, and then I used the dry bristle brush to spread it around a bit. What's really cool about this is that it kind of breaks the foil up the more you work it. So it starts really like giant, nice sheets, but the more you work it, the more it breaks up and does this like really cool splayed out gold foil effect with all of these little glitter points. So that's basically what I did, and just worked the foil until it just kind of like started solid on the right, well, the left side of the mask, but right side of the camera. And then as you move towards the left side of the camera or the actual right side of the mask, the points of gold foil get smaller and more broken up and dispersed. So there's more of that negative space, more of the black image. And I think that's really, really cool as an effect. So bright on one side, dark on the other. Go ahead and add your ribbons. This mask comes with some pre-punched holes, so all you have to do is just find some ribbon. I chose black because it's a black mask, and just attach them in. Sorry for the hair shot. And then we are basically done, honestly. Like, this is super quick. So we've got a mask, we've got it colored, we've got it decorated, we've got our ribbons on. We just need our final touches, and that is the roses. So these actually have one that's slightly larger and one that's slightly smaller. So I put the larger one on the outside and the smaller one on the inside, just attaching them with hot glue. And honestly, this is it. It's beautiful. I know it's simple, but it's so gorgeous and elegant. And here is the zoom in after the glue is dry. So I did paint the glue over the gold foil, so it did matte it out a little bit. It's not as shiny as it would be if you just left that glue underneath it, but I think it is gorgeous, and I hope you guys like it as much as I do. Thanks for watching.